When most people picture an RV, they imagine a simple home on wheels with a bed, a small kitchen, and modest comforts. But the world of luxury motorhomes has completely rewritten those expectations, turning recreational vehicles into mobile mansions that rival high-end apartments, yachts, and even private jets in terms of comfort. So here we are going to cover some of the most mind-blowing luxury motorhomes on the market, the ones that take RV travel to an entirely new level. Marathon Coach. First, we have a coach that perfectly combines luxury with smart design. Inside, you'll notice the warm suede cabinetry paired with cool textured walls, giving the space a modern feel. Matte countertops add a sleek touch, and the porcelain 12 by 24 inch tile floors run through the salon, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, all heated from underneath for comfort. The living areas are decked out with premium leather furniture, a recliner, sofa, and L-shaped dinette, plus a large occasional table. The salon comes with a fireplace insert and a 50-inch LED backlit TV, with another 50-inch TV in the bedroom and a 32-inch TV in the front slide-out. The adjustable king bed lets you watch TV comfortably while keeping the walkway clear. Podx Go Grande S1. This isn't your regular trailer, trust me. Made by a California startup called Podx Go, it actually folds out to 3 times its travel size, giving you a whopping 364 square feet of space. You can tow it with a Super Duty pickup, and it opens up hydraulically in just 15 minutes. Super quick. Inside, you've got a living room and kitchen with all the essentials: countertop, cabinets, fridge, and a stainless steel sink. The bedroom, king-size Murphy bed and a handy folding desk. The bathroom has a shower, flush toilet, and vanity. And on top of that, you've got an air conditioner, water heater, plus carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. Basically, it's a tiny home on wheels. Krismar Motorhome. Krismar builds motorhomes that feel more like personal sanctuaries on wheels, blending bespoke design with expert craftsmanship to elevate life on the road into an art form. Krismar offers bespoke luxury motorhomes built to your exact preferences, combining custom chassis options, automatic transmission, high-end bathrooms, built-in fridges, and dishwashers. They work closely with buyers to tailor every detail to individual tastes, using high-quality materials and thoughtful layouts to make long journeys feel like home. Brabus Big Boy. It's big, it's wide, and it can take you anywhere. This is a new kind of masterpiece inspired by one of the largest locomotives in the world. This motorhome stretches 12 meters and offers over 30 square meters of luxurious living space. 2 electric slide outs on each side expand the bedroom and salon for extra comfort. Inside, you'll find 2 sofas in the living area upholstered in premium gray Brabus leather, quilted in the signature triangle pattern, matching the driver's seats and door panels. The modern kitchen comes with an induction hob, oven, dishwasher, and a spacious fridge with an integrated freezer. Comfort is guaranteed year-round thanks to the automatic air conditioning and parking heater. Dembell RMV. Priced at an eye-watering $1.2 million, this luxury RV feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile mansion built for life on the road. Step inside and the interior instantly gives the feeling of a 5-star hotel with a full kitchen, a king-size bed, and a spa-style bathroom designed for comfort during long journeys. The interior can also be customized to match different needs, including features like a hidden queen-size bed and an adjustable coffee table that transforms the living space. Beyond the elegant design, it also packs advanced smart home technology and modern security systems, making sure every trip is both comfortable and safe. Newmar King Aire. The Newmar King Aire represents the peak of luxury travel designed for owners who demand the finest. It sits on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis with a powerful 605 horsepower engine, providing a solid foundation for a home on wheels. Stand out with the Artisan Series custom paint featuring unique graphics for a truly one-of-a-kind look. Inside, the robust lithium battery system delivers 640 amp hours to power multiple air conditioners and all high-end appliances, even off-grid. Entertainment is exceptional in every space, with Samsung 4K TVS throughout, including a 65-inch display in the living area for an immersive experience. Will Smith's RV. Will Smith's RV by Anderson Mobile Estates isn't just any RV, it's a 2-story mansion on wheels. Known as The Heat, this mobile estate opens up to reveal a massive 1,200 square feet of living space built on a semi-trailer platform. Inside, you'll find a full kitchen with premium premium appliances, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, a private screening room, and a bathroom featuring a steam shower. The second floor functions like a completely separate apartment, making this RV the ultimate in luxury travel. Hymer Vision Venture. This is a motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with a hybrid all-wheel drive system for enhanced off-road performance. Inside, it offers a spacious and luxurious living space with a cozy atmosphere, featuring a fully equipped kitchen, dining area, bathroom with shower, and comfortable sleeping quarters. Its layout is designed to maximize space and comfort, while innovative technologies like lightweight construction materials, roof-mounted solar panels, and a heat recovery system improve fuel efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and make energy use more sustainable. eleMMent Palazzo, a high-end luxury motorhome from the Austrian company Marchi Mobile, known for its futuristic and eye-catching design. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior with a rounded front and streamlined body is often compared to a luxury sports car or yacht. Available in lengths from about 12 to 20 meters, it offers a spacious interior with generous living and entertainment areas. Designed for comfort and style, it comes with premium features, and its price reflects its exclusivity, ranging from several $100,000 to over $1 million, depending on customization and added options. Thor Vision Vehicle. This EV claims to have the best range in its class, reaching up to 300 miles on a single charge. Built on Thor's exclusive platform, the E-Stream has a high-voltage electric drivetrain that powers the trailer's wheels, which helps reduce the tow vehicle's fuel or energy use. It can even park the RV remotely without needing the tow vehicle. The company says this is the world's most versatile recreational concept vehicle. Inside, it's surprisingly luxurious with a comfortable kitchen, bed, and a small living area. There's even a smart sound system that makes managing everything inside easier. Cami Terra Wind. Next up is the Cami Terra Wind, an amphibious motorhome that lets you travel on both land and water. Built on a custom chassis, it features a master suite with a queen-size bed, plenty of storage, a flat-screen TV, and a full kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, granite countertops, and even a dishwasher. With the push of a button, it transforms into a fully functional yacht, cruising on water at speeds up to 7 knots. Imagine driving through scenic landscapes and then sailing off into the sunset, all without leaving your home. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a luxury RV concept that takes mobile living to the next level. One of its standout features is the sky deck on the roof, a combined helipad and entertainment space with panoramic views, complete with a hot tub, lounge chairs, and a fully stocked bar for a truly luxurious outdoor experience. Measuring about 45 feet long, the Elysium has a high-tech motor coach-style interior with a spacious living area, modern kitchen, comfortable seating, and a dining area. The seating features plush leather sofas and a large flat-screen TV, while a smart home system lets you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment right from a mobile app. Truck Surf Hotel. This is a one-of-a-kind experience that combines the thrill of surfing with the comfort of a mobile hotel. Basically, it's a converted truck turned into a cozy hotel on wheels, designed for surfers and adventure seekers. Inside, you'll find several bedrooms, a common area, a kitchen, bathrooms, and even a rooftop terrace. Every inch is cleverly designed to maximize space, with beds, storage, seating, and a small kitchenette. What really sets it apart is its mobility. Guests can travel to different surf spots and explore coastal areas without worrying about hotels or transport. Volkner Performance S Volkner Mobiles stand at the Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf is always known for eye-catching vehicles, but this time they truly outdid themselves. A complete vehicle package like never before. The Performance S comes fully equipped with advanced technical features and numerous custom details, including a sound system developed in collaboration with Burmester specifically for this vehicle. The interior dazzles with perfectly crafted furniture and hand-veneered brilliant black and other design elements that make traveling and living in this rolling luxury apartment a feast for the senses. Hymer MLT580 CrossTrail. The CrossTrail adds an all-wheel drive option to the MLT lineup, giving it extra capability on rough terrain while keeping the interior comfortable and luxurious. It's designed for off-grid adventures, with features like solar power and the Hymer smart battery system for extended stays away from civilization. This semi-integrated motorhome sits on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, combining rugged off-road performance with high-level comfort and independence. Safety and convenience come standard, including attention assist, automatic headlights, hill start assist, high beam assist, traffic sign assist, and downhill speed regulation. Sealvans Amphibious. Now we have a unique travel trailer that doubles as a boat. Designed for families, it sleeps up to 4 people and combines yacht-like finishes with the practicality of an RV. Inside, a compact kitchen, a functional bathroom, and 2 living areas that convert into bedrooms make the most of the space. On water, it can be powered by a 50 horsepower Honda outboard engine or an electric motor, reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. This innovative 24.6-foot vehicle starts at around $63,800. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 brings spacious, luxurious living right on the water, making it ideal for year-round residents. With 450 square meters of space, it feels more like a floating home than a boat. Dual engines let it cruise comfortably at 10 kilometers per hour with a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour. The design is sleek and modern, built with premium materials for a high-end feel. Inside, the living room features a stunning glass wall with amazing water views, and the kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need for daily life. Rioja Bespoke projects. If flying makes you nervous but you still want to travel in ultimate luxury, Rioja Singular Vehicles has you covered. They build custom RVs loaded with the latest tech, and one of their standout models, the Maverick Vanillis MD-12, is basically a 2-story apartment on wheels. In the center, there's a lounge with a comfy couch and 2 large screens. The ground floor has 2 bedrooms that sleep 2 each, a fully stocked kitchen with everything from a cooking hob and fridge to a washing machine and plenty of storage. The bedrooms feature bunk beds and lavish furnishings, while the bathroom includes a jacuzzi tub and an enclosed shower big enough for 3 people. Starliner SL25. Think of it as a fancy pocket rocket, offering everything from 2 queen-size beds to a car garage, full automation, and premium features. The SL25RG Executive is actually longer than the standard SL25, giving you about 9.2 meters of interior space compared to the standard 8.3 meters. Inside, it sleeps 4 in 2 queen-size beds, with seating for 4 while on the move. You'll also find a full kitchen, bathroom, dinette, lounge area, and luxury finishes you'd expect in a multi-million-dollar motorhome. Even a glass display cabinet for your crystalware. Marchi Mobile. This 45-foot motorhome is built to order and loaded with features you won't find anywhere else, including a 2-story design and multiple climate zones. The cockpit feels more like a jet with a full array of displays and instrument clusters, while the fishbowl-inspired front end with auto-tinting glass turns heads on the road and at the campsite. With multiple slide-outs and an open floor plan, the Palazzo Superior offers over 730 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find flat-screen TVs, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bedroom with a king-size mattress. Access is easy thanks to an internal staircase, and honestly, motorhomes don't get much more luxurious than this. So that's all for now. What's your thought on this? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.